I think he himself has bluntly spoke about the not joining the Congress. I think you might have heard. I think you all have already written that particular stance where he stood, that he will never be joining Congress even in the future also, right? Do I have to remind you that one? No, no? That's okay, thank you.
Prodigal son can come back.
Prodigal son has come back. I think not the father. Yes, tell me.
When Zenit left, he left because of posting.
No, you see, like for example, you see every. That's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Na? Now he has realized, so he has come back. He has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him. That's why we are working on that one. He has himself has spoken, right? So I need not have to clarify that one. I'm very much happy. I'm very much happy. After all, it will not only boost the party, it will boost the society, and then moreover, it will give a confidence to the, give a confidence to the people from the Meghalaya and then the party as a whole. Welcome them if they want to come back, because you see, God has given us a free will, so you cannot judge on that. Sometimes that's why there is a devil actually. So devil is always behind to tempt them. Okay, that's why they have a free will. If they want to come back, they are, we welcome them. Now even our Madam Deborah, she has been working really hard, and because of her also, Sir Janet and his team has already rejoined with us. Thanks to
you.
even yeah, everybody. Yeah.
So you look at the
Me actually, we will see, because we will not bring them back all, because all of them might not be good. Some of them might be good. Okay, we might bring them some of them. It's not necessary that all the TMC MLAs should come. You got my point? It's not necessary. So we have to look at and then take the view from the people whom they like. So let the people. It should be the people's choice. We just don't want to bring them everybody back, either from the NPP or from the NCP or from anybody.